What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll show you the solution and give you a quick walkthrough of the crossing point quest in Crimson Desert. When you eventually get across to this point just to the southeast, you'll find a bunch of glowy stuff out here, and here's the puzzle we need to solve. Essentially, you'll see there's a bunch of mirrors shining around with one of them not getting anything. You'll need to stand on the side away from the laser and push it towards, eventually lining it up. And once you have, it'll shine across to the next section of this quote-unquote puzzle. We'll get over there, and at this second spot once more, you'll see there's a couple of dark mirrors here. It's a bit more confusing, but essentially where the light comes in, you'll see that it shines and hits this first mirror. This is the one we'll be pushing back. Push it all the way until it lines up with this first mirror. Then we'll be moving across to this back mirror here. We'll be pushing it across into the laser. There we go. Then across to this one. We'll essentially be pushing this one into the light, so it directs it towards us. There we go. Now, back here, we'll be pushing this one into it. So we'll push it into the light here. There we go. And then we'll be pushing it this way. Keep in mind there are tracks, so you can only move these in certain directions, but this is the solution. Pushing it forwards pushes it into the back side of this mirror. So there we go. And now there's one final mirror back here, which we can hit by pushing this one away from the center, out to here, and then we can push it across into the light. So out to here. This shines it into that permanent mirror, into the crystal, and it shines into the tower in the center. Really difficult to solve if you don't exactly see what's going on, but this is basically the shape that we'll be making here. Heading towards the center now, we can climb into the tower here, and we'll be making our way up. There's some more mirrors in here. This one you can see there's a light shining onto at the top of the staircase. We'll be changing the direction. The mirror above us there. So we'll guide it all the way up and towards that one. There we go. Now we'll need to make our way onto the next one. It should also click and get things moving once you get it basically perfectly centered. Now we can continue up. And this one will need to redirect once more to shine up to the next one. Super simple. There we go. Moving up. Another one here. Not much of a puzzle, but into the direct center plus minus. There we go. And this one up here should hopefully be the last one. Nope, never mind. It's definitely not. We'll fix that to that mirror in the center. Then to the next. And you'll essentially be doing this a few times, so don't get too excited. We'll be here for a while. Finally shining one onto the wall where we actually can't reach. This should be the last one. There we go. Heading up these stairs takes us to this one, and this should hopefully be the last. This one will finally direct straight up and to the center of the ceiling up above. There we go. That's it. Not very much of a puzzle, but it sure is tedious. There we go. At the very top of this, we'll finally get to a portal where we go somewhere different, and that's really it for this quest guide. So, hopefully you found this interesting. Thank you all for watching. Mine's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.